So guys, today I wish I could give you time to read the problem, etc. But today we have a lot to cover, so I'm just going to quickly read it for you. Two friends like to pool their money and go to the ice cream parlor. They always choose two distinct flavors and they spend all of their money. So they buy two different flavors of ice cream. So two friends, they combine their money and they go to ice cream parlor and they always buy two ice creams which is of different flavors. Given a list of prices for the flavors of ice cream. So you are given a list of price of the ice cream. Select the two that will cost all of the money they have. So select the two that will cost all of the money they have. So for example, a money that they have is 6. That is a list of prices. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you look at 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, I have to buy two different flavors and I have 6 rupees with me. So, but the combined cost of both the flavors should be 6 rupees. So it's very simple. If I buy 1 and 5, then remove that. If I buy 1 and 5, then I know that the first ice cream and the fifth ice cream. First ice cream is 1 rupee, fifth ice cream is 5 rupees, 5 plus 1, 6 rupees. I've got two flavors and I've spent all my money. Is it possible, given a list of prices, that I will be able to buy two distinct flavors of ice cream and the money that I will spend will be all my money, which means it should be exactly equal to the money that I have. If such a list of prices is given to you, print yes. If such a combination is not possible, print no. So I hope everybody understood the question. So name of the function is ice cream parlor. I'll just copy that. Okay, then yeah, so that's about it. Yeah, so they'll give you M, which is the amount of money. They'll give you the number of flavors offered and they'll give you the cost of each flavor one by one by one by one. But here there's a very important thing. Go on top. See, they are saying what this function should return. This returns the indices of the prices of the two flavors they buy. So you must not return the price of the ice creams. You must return the index of the ice cream. Index means one more thing they have given on top. Okay, yeah, here. The two flavors that cost 1 and 5 meet the criteria. Using one-based indexing, they are at indices 1 and 4. Now, what is one-based indexing? We use zero-based indexing, 0 to NB. Right, one-based indexing means from 1 to n you have to write. So, if there are 5 elements, zero-based indexing will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. One-based indexing will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, you don't worry about 1, you do calculation in 0. But when you're returning the index, add 1 to the current index and return. So, if the ice cream is at the 0th position, plus 1 will be 1-based indexing. If ice cream is at the 5th position, then plus 1 you do, that will be 1-based indexing. I hope you're able to think. Let me visualize this problem to you. What should we return here? The indices, right? And look at this, the indices of the prices of the two flavors they buy, sorted ascending. Now what does this mean? Let me show you. Guys, please try and understand what I am saying. Change it. Yeah. Watch it, guys. These are my ice creams. Okay, these are my ice creams. Let me just quickly remove this for you. Now, 3, 1, 4, 5, 6. These are the prices given to you. This is the, if one-based indexing I use, this is the first ice cream and that is the money I have. This is the indexes. So, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the indexes. First ice cream is 3 rupees. Second ice cream is 1 rupee. Third ice cream is 4 rupee, like that. So, you can see 5 plus 1 is 6. So, I'll have to buy the second ice cream flavor, fourth ice cream flavor. So, what you have to return is this 2 and 4, not the prices. 2 and 4 you must return. So, how will we do that? So, first of all, if you ask me, how to find two ice creams whose price added together gives me the money that I have? Very simple. Start I. So, these two will give you. So, that is what you have to return. See, 2 and 4. 2 and 4 is what you have to return. Anyways, having said that, next thing is, So output is 2 and 4. Okay, next. Now see how I am going to do it. I will start I and I will have j, which is always one step ahead of I. The duty of j is I is a certain ice cream's price. J will now go from starting till ending and it will find whether any of these values when added together will it give 6. Then I will move forward, j will again come before I. Then for that value check any value will match. Added together will give you this same thing. Are we able to think? And that's what I am also doing. So if in case array of I equal to array of j is equal to m, that is all I am doing. If that is the case, then you have to return the indexes, right, of the two ice creams. Now you have to return the indexes of the two ice cream as a list you must return it. How to do that I will tell you. So 3 plus 1, 4, is it equal to 6? No. No means I will not do anything, I will just move j forward. I will just move j forward. And if in case I move j forward, now 3 and 4, right? If I add them together, is it equal? No. 3 plus 4 is 7. If it is so, then I remains constant, j moves forward. If I move it, again you can say it is 3 plus 5. Obviously 3 plus 5 is not equal to 6. So 8 is equal to 6 false. And then 3 plus 6. So 3 plus 6 is 9. If 9 is equal to 6, then 100 is not equal to 6, which means again false. So obviously for 3, I could, with this flavor, I can't buy any other flavor which will spend all my money. Next, j goes outside obviously. After which next thing is you are within a loop, I moves forward. So you checked, none of that was there. Now I moves forward. Again j is one step ahead of I. 4 plus 1 is not equal to 6. So false, move j forward. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. If it is equal to 6, don't loop anymore. Break out of the loop. Break out of the loop. And once you break out of the loop, you have to return the indexes. You have to return the indexes. But 1 based indexing, which means 1 should be plus 1, 2. 3 should be plus 1, which means 4. So I should return 3 and 4 and I should return it as a list. And this list must be in the ascending order, smallest to largest. Now, how will you ensure that it is sorted in the ascending order? Simple. Always according to our logic, I is always before j. If I is always before j, or one more way to write it is, if j is always after I, don't you think I value will always be lesser than j value? I value will always be lesser than j. If it is always lesser than j, then return, in the list put I plus 1 first, then put j plus 1 second. So if you put I plus 1, j plus 1, this will be lesser than this, automatically it will be in ascending order. How many of you understood? How many of you understood? Put a yes in the chat. How many of you understood the logic? Good. Good. Very good. Very good. So, I hope till here you understood. Okay. So now, obviously, what we have to next do is, we have to now just write the logic for this. It's not that big of a deal. So yeah, next you can do. So this is my list result. In that I will first store I plus 1. See, add I plus 1 I am doing. So add it. And then next j plus 1 I will add, and j plus 1 is 3 plus 1, which is nothing but 4, that I will add. So obviously if you add it, one more element will be created, 4. Any confusion till this point of time? Great, sir. Now let us go ahead. Yeah. Now let's directly start writing the code. I think everybody understood. So I'll just go there, change the name of that function to, I'll change the name of that function to, what was the name? Ice cream parlor. Okay. What it will accept is an m, integer m. And what it will also accept is this array of prices. So I'll call it as array list. So in this case, HackerRank is expecting a list. So I'm also creating a list, array list. Okay. Yeah. AR. So in the full stack web development course, even in the data structures and algorithms course, in depth I have spoken about collections in Java. which is equivalent to the standard template library or STL in C++. Even Python has collections. Knowledge of collections is what will help a programmer efficiently work with data. It's a must-have knowledge, must-have knowledge. In detail I've spoken. I think there are around 10 classes only on collections, each of 2 hours. So you can imagine how much depth I would have gone into. Okay. Anyways, what it has to return is an array list. So you can just array list, and also static you can make it as. Okay. Next I will come there, and all I have to do is now start. I have to import it, that's fine, come down. Okay, that capital I you have to put syntax. Next. So come inside that. Now all you have to do is iterate over the array list, right? So before that I'll just create one, we can create it anywhere, it doesn't matter. You start for int I equal to 0. I should go till the last index, right? Or should it go to the last index or second last index? Second last index, which means I will tell I less than. I want the size, so I will tell ar.size, because it's an array list now, okay? So ar.size method is there, which will automatically give you how many elements. So less than that means it will go till 4. I will be able to think. Then I plus plus. Yeah, second last element means -1, because I wanted to go till second last. So see, -1. Only size means last, -1 means second last. I plus plus. Next inside that I will tell j. So j, I will tell int j equal to 0. J is not from 0. J should always be one step ahead of I. So I plus 1. J less than. It should go to the end. So see, just tell ar dot size. End means size. -1 means second last. -2 means third. That. I plus j plus plus. J should go to the end, guys, because if I is here, j should naturally go to the end. Okay. Then start by just checking if in case AR of I you cannot tell like this, because this is for an array. We are using an array list. So you have to tell AR.get element present at the ith position. So these are syntax related things. Okay. I and plus AR.get of j. Check if this is equal to M, the money that I have. If that is the case, I have found a combination. Now that I have found a combination, what I want to do is, I just want to add the element into this i's value +1 into my array list, call as result, j's value +1 into my array list, call as result, and I just want to break out of the loop and return the result, which means this result has to be created. So I'm just going on top, and I will just tell new, because these are objects, and array list itself I will create, which will store integers, and next constructor, next I'll give it a reference. I'll just call it as res. Now I'll just come here and I will tell res.add whatever is the index of I +1, one based indexing. I will add whatever is j's index, but one base indexing, so +1. Why I first, why j second? Because I is less than j, so it will be in ascending order. Now I want to break out of the loop. Loop will continue, but you want to forcefully break. For that there is a keyword in Java called as break. Break means break out of the loop. That's it. Now I'll come outside and I'll just return my result. That's it. Copy paste it. Cool. Let's go to the editor. And I'll run it first. Compilation. No, we have called it as AR. HackerRank would have called it something else. We'll just change it. They have called it as ARR. I'll just remove an R from that. I'll submit it. In which case, samples are passed means usually 90% of the times it will pass. So we'll submit it. Okay, guys. Now get ready. Hope everybody is ready, and there you go. Guys, congratulations for your 4 stars. I have a small request to make. Just to make this a memory for me, I want to have a memory with you guys. I want all of you to take a screenshot of you getting 4 stars on HackerRank. Take a screenshot of this, right? And please send it to us or tag us on Instagram or put it in the WhatsApp chat. Just, let's celebrate it together, guys. Just celebrate it together. And congratulations to all of you on achieving your 4th star. So can everybody put congrats in the chat? Let's just congratulate each other, because certainly this was the outcome of this program, and I hope everyone enjoyed. I would just request you to take a screenshot and put it, guys. It will mean a lot to me. It will mean a lot to us, because there's a big team behind which helps create such fantastic classes, right? So please make sure you are taking a screenshot and tagging us either on Instagram, put it in your WhatsApp chat, whichever, right? Great, awesome. Now, so I hope till here whatever I spoke is clear to all of you. Tell me, guys, did you enjoy? Please put a yes. Did you enjoy getting your 4 stars? Did everybody enjoy getting their 4 stars? Yeah, did everyone enjoy it? Yes, beautiful, awesome, nice, awesome, great. Okay, but you guys have to solve all your assignments, and assignment solutions will be given today. After class, you will be receiving the assignment solutions. Okay, great, awesome. Congratulations to each and every one of you.